Today I received a Gaomon S620. Wanted me to do a review of this product. I'm gonna show you my experience. The box looks very good. It's very similar to Apple product package. Right, dear customer, there's a greeting message and also show you how to download their driver. That's pretty good. Inside here, regular USB and the mini USB. Have two different adapters, the USB-C, the mini USB. That is the stylish. It says the battery free, so you don't need to charge it. Pretty comfortable. Oh, that's nice. So you can put this in here. Extra stylish tips. Okay, that's pretty cool. So that you're not gonna touch the surface. There's the quick start guide and showing you how to use this. Actually, this is a little ring to help you to do the replacement. Let's unpack this. Because this is not a wireless. You need to plug this in and connect to your computer. I have an Apple computer, so I would need to use the adapter. The USB-C. Alright, we're gonna connect it. Right after I finished my 4-year illustration study in Boston, I became a full-time digital illustrator for a publishing company for 3 years. And this is what I did. Every day I worked for the cover and interiors illustration for the magazines. I first need to install the driver. Just go to gaomon.net, download. After you connect the tablet with your computer and download the driver, and you can use this tablet as a drawing device to do some digital artworks. If you're looking for a tablet, you can consider to give this product a try. See you next time.